beautiful view. Look at this. This is a sea view and mountain view in Khao Tao.
Hey, I'm Felix. I used to run a marketing agency in China and decided to move to Hua Hin for a more peaceful lifestyle. Let's just say we've been enjoying life here for the last 8 years. We're passionate about real estate, art, and design, but we connect with absolutely everyone. We guide people through difficult life decisions and help them achieve their goals. If you're looking to buy, sell, or develop, get in touch with us.
It's gonna be really easy today because I gotta walk only 20 meters to go to my neighbor's house. So this is Panorama Khao Tao, and I'll show you a nice sea view, mountain view villa. It's just my neighbor's house, so I'll pretend that I'm surprised. So this is a beautiful hillside house. Just enter from the back. Look at this. I'll go straight to the view. Lovely pool with a panoramic view. Of course, the Bali style roofs here in Panorama. 54 villas total. Look at this. I love it. And this is the house. Give you a little tour inside. So my villa is basically the same. I really like this ceiling like this. Really cute. And this is the living area. Nice living room, some wooden furniture everywhere. The effect of the ceiling at night is really lovely. You got a kitchen here, everything is stainless, built-in little oven and microwave. Got a dishwasher, also stainless, the range, the hood. Here you have the first bedroom, little garden view. Right here on the left, you have the bathroom. The vanity here, shower, everything in beige and stone. On the right, you'll have the second bedroom, also garden view. Very tasteful furniture. And the best part about this house is definitely this room, the master bedroom. Again with this ceiling, the little cathedral ceiling, and this incredible view. I think everyone knows in Hua Hin, it's relatively flat, so it's hard to get a view, but this place has it. Yeah, the master bedroom has really cool hardwood floors, and this is the master en-suite bathroom, his and hers. Looking really good. I really like this room. Very tasteful. And the outside area, you got some nice furniture here, some loungers in the back right here, and here you have this lovely little area. Get a breeze at night, and really one of the best views in all Hua Hin. Too bad it's not sunny today. So if you're looking for this Bali style kind of Thai modern look, this is a good example. And of course, the view like this is just really rare.